Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings from St. Xavier's High School affiliated to CBSE, a school up to 12th grade, and it is from Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh. So they are hiring for different positions. Let's have a look. They are hiring for principal or vice principal, only female candidates are eligible, or headmistress or in charge or coordinator position. And also they are hiring for trained graduate teachers for English, computer science, physics, chemistry, maths and accounts, and postgraduate teachers and primary teachers for all subjects. And also they are hiring a swimming coach, like both males and female candidates are eligible. And for art and craft, yoga instructor, music and dance, front office executive and receptionist. So these are the job vacancies available from this St. Xavier's High School. So for these positions, the salary will be as per CBSE norms, and it is not a constraint for the deserving candidate. And the preference will be given to the candidates with progressive outlook and experience in learner-friendly pedagogical approach, and you must be fluent in written and spoken English, and only shortlisted candidates will be called for test or interview, and outstation candidates will be paid two-way class sleeper or bus fare. So if you are eligible for any of the job position, you have to WhatsApp to this number on before 19th February. The number is 9889237139. So that's it in this video. For more videos from this location, you please check out the playlist. Those links are given below in the description box.